नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Reminiscing the significance of Apara Ekadashi. Apara Ekadashi, one of the significant Ekadashi fasts in the Hindu calendar, will be observed this year on May 23rd, 2025. As per Dik Panchang, the Ekadashi Tithi will begin at 1:12 am on May 23rd and conclude at 10:29 pm the same day. Paran, the time to break the fast, will be observed on next day, May 24, from 5:25 am to 8:10 am. Apara Ekadashi, also known as Achala Ekadashi, is observed by devotees of Lord Vishnu across India to seek blessings and spiritual merit. The fast is observed on the 11th day, Ekadashi Tithi of Krishna paksha in the month of Jyestha. Hindu scriptures describe Apara Ekadashi as spiritually significant. Vaishnavites, followers of Lord Vishnu, observe this fast by fasting and by offering prayers. Each Ekadashi has distinct customs, and on Apara Ekadashi, devotees fast and offer bhog prasad to the deity. The fast is concluded the next day during the Paran period. As per religious texts, Lord Krishna explained the significance of this day to Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandav. The Pandavas are believed to have observed this fast for victory in the Mahabharata war. Apara means limitless, symbolizing that Lord Vishnu grants boundless blessings, wealth and fulfillment of wishes to those who keep the fast sincerely. Scriptures state that those who keep the fast with purity and devotion are freed from their past sins. Many believe the fast helps cleanse the body, mind and soul. It is also said to lead devotees towards salvation. Why Vamana Avatar is worshipped on Apara Ekadashi? Vaman, the fifth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, is remembered for restoring balance in the universe. As per the scriptures, he appeared in the form of a dwarf and defeated the demon king Mahabali. Through this act, Vaman re-established the power of the gods and upheld dharma. His story is seen as a lesson in humility and the victory of righteousness over ego. Spiritual and planetary significance. The Vamana Avatar is associated with humility and karmic balance. Devotees believe that worshipping him helps remove ego and correct past actions. Astrologically, this form of Vishnu is connected to the planet Jupiter, which signifies wisdom and spiritual knowledge. Prayers to Vaman on Apara Ekadashi are believed to help reduce the impact of unfavorable planetary positions. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.